Okay, third installment on my softwash pump saga. The last pump, I had the wiring issue, and I fixed that, and then it was working okay, and then I kept blowing the 20 amp fuse. I put 30 amp fuse in there, and it was working fine. Did a couple more jobs, and then I was in the middle of a job, and the pump was going like an inconsistent sound. It wasn't the normal flow sound, and then it corrected itself after several minutes. I know that was just probably unnecessary stress on the diaphragm. Um, then I did a couple more jobs and it was fine. And then I was maybe 3/4 of the way through a job on Saturday and it just stopped working. So I'm not sure what happened, if it was an internal wiring issue or something. I ordered this new pump. It's Everflo 5.5 again. Ordered that on Amazon Saturday night. It arrived Sunday morning, just a few hours later, actually. And I also got this wiring harness that has a switch. So instead of using the toggle I was using before, I now use the switch. Easy. It's thicker wires than the other wiring I had. Hopefully that will be the proper setup for me. It just has the two alligator clips for the two battery terminals. Went ahead and tested it out, and there's no leaks. I had to make an adjustment on that set screw. Should be good to go, so we'll see how long this one lasts. This is the one I took off, and it's under warranty, so I should get a refund on that. The next project is to get some cam locks for the inlet and outlet so that I can just do a really easy, quick connect. Maybe like a 2-3 minute replacement in the future. If it happens to go bad out in the field, I can have a spare brand new one, and then just have cam lock fittings and just swap it out really quickly. So that's the next thing I'm going to do.